Hello and welcome to 365 Days of Excelling with Clive.
This is day 38, and today we are looking at improving graphs using Excel visualizations. So we are looking at how we can improve this graph here to a better looking graph like the one on my left here. So how can we do that using Excel? So instead of making your presentations using these graphs here, how can you add images to make your graph more attractive and easier to understand by your audience? So for example, here I have sales by country, but what I have which is interesting is that I have flags on the bars representing each country, which makes it much more easier to read even from a distance. So if you are presenting to a larger audience, it will be very difficult for someone sitting in the back to see the names of the countries here. But if they can recognize these flags here, it will be much easier for them. They can easily see the flags here and know which country have the largest sales and which country has the least sales. So how can you improve your visualizations and make your Excel reports much more easier to read? So yesterday I demonstrated how we can create this graph. So today we are going to improve it and add some visualizations to it. Then after that, we'll see how we can make this image which have it looks like it's a 3D image. So how can we do that? First thing is you have to select the series you want to edit. Then you go to Format. Then you say Shape Fill. Then you select Picture Fill. Then you can choose whether you want to choose from your device or you want to go to stock images or online pictures where you search via Bing or from icons. So because I have already downloaded the images and I have them on my computer, I'll say browse from file. So I'll get them from file. I want to edit South African bar, so I select South African flag. Then I say insert. So you can see here now I'm showing South African flag. Then I do the same with the Zimbabwean flag. My chart is just overflowing because yesterday I set maximum and minimum for the axis. So I can just go and format the axis again and just change it to, for example, 10,000 here. Or let me make it 9,000. And this one I'll make it 7. Okay. Then for Zimbabwe, I go and do Shape Fill again and select image. This time I'm selecting Zimbabwean flag. Then I insert. Then I can do the same with the rest. Okay, so now we have the flags. You can see the flags here. So this is how you can just add the images to your bars. Then you can see here on this graph here, it is showing the bars as 3D. So to change the bars to 3D, you go to Chart Design, and under Change Chart Type here, you then select the design you want. So this one looks like a nice 3D, then you can say okay. So here you have now a 3D chart. Then you can choose what else you want to edit. You might, let me just resize it. You might want to edit the background picture. So I want to add a picture in the background here. So I can just select, you can see here, it's selecting now the background here. So this side here, I want to change the picture. So I can say Format, then I say Change Picture, then I select a picture from my file. This time I want a map. You can choose whichever map I want to use. Let me use this one. Then insert it. Then maybe on the side here, I don't want a map, I just want a picture of the CEO. So I just put the picture of the CEO. I'm just going to take an image from stock images here to just also show you how you can take pictures from stock images. And there are cut out people here. Then maybe this guy is our CEO. Okay, then you can choose what else you want to put. You can put also something on the floor here. So if I select here, you can see I'm now selecting the floor. Then I can also put another color as well. Maybe I just want to gradient fill. So this is basically how you can transform a chart. And you can now see that it's much easier now to see what you are trying to present here. You're presenting sales by region, and you can easily see the flag. You can even take out the names and only leave the bars here because people can easily recognize the flags. Even if next month you change your data, your designs will still remain there and you can use them for your reporting. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.